Oh, Beck, look behind you. What is that? It's a gigantic Disney parade.
So we have a lot of nieces and nephews coming to join us. So we're making door signs. And this is our effort to make them feel really welcome to visit. And Jimbo's doing such a great job. So pretty.
Hey, fellas.
Coming up through the treehouse. Got the river to keep us safe from the tigers. Here's the water wheel. This provides water to the treehouse. Steering wheel.
Montes de la alfombra. Cuide a sus
Oh, I got people. You did before. I think it's your first time.
Welcome to the cafeteria.
Alright, we're on an adventure.
Tom Sawyer.
Huh?
Go down to the wind.
Alright, we made it.
Get out the fly rod.
Man, that's pretty. Oh, here comes Liberty Bell. Doing the Barnstormer.
Get ready for launch. Joe, I thought you threw up on these. Who screamed? Was it Jay?
Jay, you ready? We're trying it. Face mount.
Hey Corey, you ready?
It's pretty intense. Not gonna lie. Corey's gonna be scarred for life.
Awesome.
Let's look at that right there. Going into the Hall of the Presidents. Only the mature folks. Those three and me.
The Presidents of the United States of America.
Look at that picture.
Huh?